Make sure to stay until then, it may require a special procedure in order to fix your tail light. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a dot charger. If you have a dot charger, you have a problem where tail lights do not work. It could be the outer tail lights or the inner tail light known as a trunk tail light. Stay with us, we'll explain what you need to check and how to fix that. In some cases, you may need to perform a certain procedure to reset a module, guys, to make that tail light work again, and we'll explain why. Make sure to stay until the end, we'll cover very helpful information today. So it should work for both V6, V8 engines. We specifically have the V6 3.6 liter, that's a 2018 year model. Now, you guys, okay, what I recommend to check. First, check your fuses, guys. You will have two fuses for tail lights. One is for the outer tail lights, one is for the inner tail light, known as a trunk light. If you want to see, guys, where the fuses are located, how to replace tail light fuses, we'll have them on our Electrical Car Repair Live YouTube channel. Check it out, you'll find all the electrical components, fuses there, and we'll have video about each one of those. If you want to find a fuse for the outer tail light, just search it, and it will tell you about it. But what if it's not a fuse? What else can be causing tail lights in some cases not to work? Let's say you replace the fuse and they still do not work. It may require a special procedure, guys, to reset the body control module or the light module, depending on which one you have your dot charger equipped with. But you need a scanner diagnostic tool like this one. We'll put the link in the description of the video below if you want to check current price and features. It's an amazing tool that can access every computer system in your Dodge. It can read codes, delete codes, and see live data. So you will need to read the codes, delete the codes from all the modules, and that often could fix the problem. Why that is required? Because tail lights do not have a relay. Okay, the relay is practically the body control module, and if you detected that you had a bad tail light or a bad fuse, maybe something shorted that fuse, it wants to prevent the car practically from catching on fire, so it will deactivate that function, guys. In order to make it work again, you need to reset it with a computer. This is your best friend. It works on almost any car you can think of, and some of these new cars may have up to 50-60 different computers. That Dodge on its own has only 20, but for instance that BMW here has about 60, 64, something like that. So it's unbelievable, guys. Now, what else can easily cause tail light not to work? It could be the tail light itself, the LED tail light, so they can burn. Okay, eventually they can burn. If it's just one outer or one section of the inner tail light, that's a burnt tail light. Sometimes you can check the wiring harness to make sure it's not loose or corroded on the inside of the tail light. That could be the reason for it as well. And it could be one more thing. And another thing could be, guys, the switch, for the lights. Because if the park light switch function doesn't work, your tail lights may not work. So check to make sure that the front park lights work as well, because it could be a bad switch. Those are some of the most common ones. Fuses, you may need to reset it, bad tail light, or bad switch. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you needing help with that. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.